I'm going to show you a really great way to clean out these flashlights. You can see where the AAA cell bled and it corroded housing, so I'm going to show you how to take care of this. Yeah, I've removed the 3 AAA batteries and tossed them. I'm going to put them in this jar and add some vinegar. Just a little bit of vinegar. Yeah, if the inside of the flashlight gets kind of gunked up, you might be able to clean it up with vinegar and a Q-tip, but as inexpensive as these things are, I'd probably just throw it away. Never mix battery brands, always use the same brand of battery. Check the voltage. It should be at least 4.5 volts. 4.78 volts.